This is Robert of Ride to Walk, where I ride for mobility, and I am on an evening ride heading towards CVS. I think I'll just take my time and go on the sidewalk. Can ride the street here. And the speed limit is 35. Gas has been coming down a little bit. We're down to 377 there. It's 375 is as high as it got at the lowest place, but everyone else was higher. And now I've seen 371 today. They announced that the strait was open, both the president and Iran, so hopefully the prices will continue to go down. Get back under that $3 mark. I've got I've never seen that happen before. One of those metal skid pads broke. I guess it rusted. I've never seen anything like that. Didn't really see where it came from. These side streets always have to be on the lookout for incoming, and it's a fairly busy time of day. Well, it's a Friday night, so it's busy. Say we're a little after 7. This is the part of town where the tornado went through in 21. Ripped out. Domino's made it there. All this here is pretty much flattened. So we got some new buildings coming in. Here it is, 21. So 4.5 years, we're in our 5th year. They're building the courthouse down there. They're building what is the city. I don't know what this building here is. We've got a big church coming up here. The post office, it took them a while, but most of the building was saved on it. So it's open again on this side of town. City Hall, that's what I couldn't think of earlier. City Hall is being built across from CVS. It used to be the City Hall and the police department. I don't know if that'll be the same way. And then this is the county courthouse right here on my right. So it's kind of a, when those two things get done, this area will look pretty much normal again. They had two huge churches that the edifices stood, but they were all completely damaged inside. It took a couple of years. They're over to the right. It took a couple of years to fix them. And I have reached my destination, as Google Maps would say, and that's a video.